I'm Sandy Bell. I'm 75 years old. I live in Havre de Grace with my daughter, son-in-law, and 4 grandchildren. Thinking back to 2014 and 15, I was experiencing a lot of pain in both my knees as well as my right hip. It hurt when I would walk, bend, squat, stand, even use the ladies' room was becoming impossible and intolerable with pain.
My mom's life before the surgeries was pretty much confined. She was confined to the house. She didn't go anywhere. Shopping during Christmas time, she couldn't even get through one store.
With my examination, I was unable to get onto the examining table. I cried. At that moment, Dr. Boucher decided the hip will be the first surgery. I felt that Dr. Boucher was the right man for the job. He was very caring. We communicated well together. He was comfortable and free in answering all my questions. I underwent a total right hip replacement in January 2016. I was recovering from the hip surgery, which was very successful. However, I was not living life to the fullest because of this bilateral knee pain. I felt old, incapacitated, valueless, not important, not contributing to life, and really losing a grip on anything that was of value to me in life. I had one specific requirement: to have both knees operated on and replaced at the same time. Doing it this way meant I would have one hospitalization. I would undergo anesthesia one time. I would experience pain, though severe, one time. I would experience physical therapy and rehabilitation one time. I underwent bilateral total knee replacement January the 16th, 2018. Because of the choices I have made, life is marvelously better. I went from walking 1 step to walking 2.5 miles. My grandson would encourage me 1 step at a time. I can do anything I want to do. I climb steps, I climb bleachers, I go to ice hockey, I go to soccer, and we travel.
Life after my mom's surgery is amazing. She is able to attend every game of my children's. She's able to go on vacation with us, and she's super active. She's living her best life at 75.
Every December, our family takes a trip to New York City to enjoy the Christmas holidays. 2 years I was not able to attend due to the pain in my knees. However, we are going this year and we are back to having fun. In the summertime, we travel to the beach. Sometimes beaches in Florida, sometimes beaches in Maryland. However, I missed 2 years. This year I was able to go. I went into the ocean and we had a wonderful time. I have no pain now, and I take no pain medications. It was all worth it to get to where I am today. I gained my life back. I am able to be mobile, and I can enjoy life again.
It makes me feel super excited and happy to see my mom able to do everything with us and enjoy life in every degree.
I had such a positive experience at MedStar Orthopaedic Institute. Because of that, I do refer others and my friends to the orthopedic division.